Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'll teach you how to solve quadratic equations using sum and product method. I'm tutor ST. For instance, if you have a function y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, first of all we need to determine the product. And to determine the product, you have to take the numerical coefficient in front of x square. For now, the number in front of x square by default is 1 and the constant term is 6, so we need to multiply this 2, so your product will be equal to 1 times 6, which will give you 6. Now the second thing that we need to consider is the sum. And when you want to convert any quadratic functions into product of linear functions, these are two things we need to consider. Now the second is your sum, and the sum is a number in front of x, and for now the number in front of x is negative 5. After this one, we need to actually look for combinations. We need to split this negative 5 into two numbers, into two parts, by considering the product equal to 6. So the first combination that I have is negative 1 times negative 6, and the second combination that I have is 2 times 3. The third combination that I have is negative 2 times negative 3, which will give you again product equal to 6, and the final one is 1 times 6, which will be again 6. The product will be 6. All these combinations will give you product equal to 6. Now we need to determine the sum. So when I add 1 plus 6, we'll get 7. When I add 1 plus 6, when I add 1 and 6, we'll get 7. When I add negative 1 and negative 6, I'll get negative 7. When I add 2 and 3, I'll get 5. When I add negative 2 and negative 3, I'll get negative 5. So you see the sum of negative 5 is actually given by the fourth combination, which is negative 2 and negative 3. Now what we need to do is we need to copy the same function, which is y equal to x square minus, but in place of minus 5, you're going to put minus 2x and minus 3x. Plus constant will come as it is. Combine this x square minus 2x and 3x plus 6 and take common. Now take common from first two terms and you'll get x minus 2 inside the bracket. Negative 3 will be common from the last two terms, and you'll get x minus 2 as your common. So factors are x minus 2 and x minus 3. Therefore your quadratic function x square minus 5x plus 6 can be written as a product of two linear factors, x minus 3 and x minus 2. Now if you want to find the x-intercepts or solutions to the solution of the given functions, you simply need to put this x minus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. The reason why we put y equal to 0 is because we know that x-intercepts are points at which your y coordinate will be equal to 0. So you simply need to substitute x minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. You'll get x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2 as your solution for the given quadratic functions. Thank you.